Hi everybody. Have you seen what I got in between my fingers? So this is called locust. In the sense dragonfly. This is an insect, small insect. This insect has a capacity that it can fly through the 360 degrees. Generally, organisms whichever they can fly, they are unable to fly backward or sideward and etc. But here, this dragonfly, it can move towards 360 degrees like cancer, crab. And wings are made by chitin, transparent. If I leave these wings, it will be fly away. And body is divided into head and thorax, okay, and trunk region. So these are unisexual organisms. They have simple and compound eye. Antennae is present. Acts in the process of sensing. So this is related to class Insecta, phylum Arthropoda. So you could observe here the wing made by chitin. So the body has exoskeleton, smooth and delicate. Tracheal respiratory system is located. Malphizian tubules are the excretory structures. So these are arthropod, nothing but jointed legs. Arthro, joints, poda, legs. It is trying to escape. So generally these are oviparous. Internal fertilization. So here we could observe metamorphosis. In this organism's life cycle, we could observe metamorphosis. The gradual changes from the larva and pupa stage to an adult stage is called metamorphosis. So this is the information regarding this locust. Further information in detail we will discuss in an adult. So this is a small one, young one. Just it has been visited our house because I have catched this for the purpose of explanation. Oh, something is going on. Okay, so you leave this now. Take care. Bye. Yeah, it is escaped now, but it is still flying in our house, but we should not disturb that. So thank you, locust, for giving chance us to explain the information regarding you. Thank you.